Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 30-1, Chapter 7, Section 2, Solving Trigonomic Equations Algebraically. Pain in the bum. Now, next thing I need to be able to do, collect like terms. So, 4 tan of x minus 3 equals 9 minus 5 tan of x. Okay, well, before we graph it, we got to simplify this mess. Now, offhand, I think I'm going to add 5 tan, so my tan becomes positive. And I'm going to add 3 to both sides, so this becomes 9 tan of x equals 12, or tan of x equals 12 over 9, which, yes, is 4/3 if you want to simplify it. Now, this I can graph. What's the trick here? Well, tan what's the period of tan? Pi. So, this is tan of x. 4/3 is like here. So Mr. Calculator will spit out the answer. X is 10 to the minus 1. And no, you don't have to simplify it. I just like to because I can hear Mr. Rasmussen getting annoyed with me. Now, that's 0.972 radians. Sorry, 0.927 radians. And what's the period of tan? Pi. So that's the trick here. Tan has a period of pi. So we add pi to this. Now, Mr. Calculator will go 3.1415297, that, whatever. So you get a second answer, 0.4. Oh dear. 4.07 radians. Okay. So the sort of trick here is tan has a period of pi, not 2 pi. Now, last question. It's not so much a trick as a reminder. Last one. Using the quadratic formula. Oh, God. I mean, yay! So, 3 cotangent squared of x minus 2 cotangent of x minus 4 is equal to 0. Cotangent. So this is 3x squared minus 2x minus 4 equals 0. I cannot factor that, so I grab the quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Yes, you can graph this, and it will give you a decimal approximation, but I need exact values. Yes, I need exact values. So this is minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared minus times 3 times minus 4 over 2a, 2 times 3. This is, let me see, 2 plus or minus the square root of 4. 4 is 6. Minus 4 times minus 4 is plus 16. 16 times 3 is 48 over 6. All right? Now, if you got that, I'm happy. Problem. I've seen this on the diploma. You can simplify this. 52 is what times what? Oh, you just said 16 times 3. Oh, no, sorry. That's 48. Forgive me. It is even, so that's 2 times 26, 213. So this is 2 times 2 times 13, or 2 squared times 13. And depending on who taught you math 20-1, this is 2 squared times 13. What's the square root of 2 squared? That's 2 plus or minus 2 square root 13 over 6. And I have seen it where they expect you to simplify it. This becomes 1 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 3. Okay. So what do we got here? A cotangent. Now, cotangent is 1 over sine. So cotangent of x is 1 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 3. This never ends. Kind of like athlete's foot, just keeps on going. Now, what do we do here? Cotangent. Cotangent is actually 1 over tan. So this is tan of x equals 3 over 1 plus or minus the square root of 13. Okay? So we flip it. This we can solve. Now, once again, I can't read my own writing. So tan of x equals 3 over 1 plus square root of 13. Or tan of x equals 3 over 1 minus square root of 13. So let me see. Statistic mode, we are in radian. Good, clear. Inverse tan, tangent, come on, don't do that. 3 divided by bracket 1 plus square root of 13 close bracket is 0.577. Now, where have we seen that before? Isn't that pi over 6? Anyway, double check. Second pi divided by 6. No, it's not. Never mind. Wrong angle. I've never seen that before. Never mind. Sorry. Getting old. Thought I remembered these. Now, the other one is root of 3 divided by minus. So we subtract this. Notice, nice graphing calculator. Minus 0.855. Now, what's wrong with this? Well, there's nothing wrong with it. We had to use the quadratic equation. But what we've forgotten, oh, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, is that what happens with tangent? How often does it repeat? It repeats every pi. So, so 1 plus square root of 13 is something up here. I'm not even going to try guessing. Now, one minus, or sorry, 3 over 1 minus square root of 13. It's down here somewhere. I don't know where, but I have to add pi to this. Actually, add pi to both of them to get the next set of answers. So, do this version first. 0.577 plus pi equals 3.72 radians. Now the other one, minus 0.855 plus pi is 2.28. And of course, there's another one after that, 5.43. So be careful. Draw the picture, realize, oh, domain and period and multiple answers and positive and negative and quadratics and too much. Anyway, that's what you got to be able to know and be able to do. If you got it, great. If not, watch the video again, shoot me an email, talk to me. Good luck.